Hi everyone, it's Nabos Couture. Want to show you how to draft an off-shoulder sleeve. So now the first thing you're going to do is to get the length, but don't forget we are going to take straight, then we'll tell you how to minor shoot in case you have your bodice block for your normal sleeve pattern, or this is what you're just going to do depending on what you minus on your dress. It could be -3, it could be -4, it could be -5, it could be -6. So depending on what we use. So now the dress, this pattern we want to use, we're actually using a client's measurement, and we minus our dress with 4. So if you see now, we've taken 4 out. So the next thing we want to do from 4, we'll just come to where we have 9, like so. So I'll come with 9, 4 and 9, 4 and 9, and I'm going to make it into a straight line. So now this 9 is your cap height. Yeah, this 9 is our cap height. So when we have this 9, that's where you go and put the biggest part of your sleeve circumference. And the circumference we are working with is 17.5. So you're going to divide that by 2. 17 is 18.5. You're going to, 8.5. You're marking it. Then you leave this. Now, before you add any allowance for this, you know the allowance you added on your dress or on your top. So we added 1.5 on our dress, so we want it to be equal with what we have on our bodies. So we're adding 1.5 like so, you can see. Now, on this part, we want to see what it would be so that your off-shoulder sleeve does not move on you. It remains, you understand? So here, we are going to take 4.5. The person is not too fat. So don't forget your shoulder band is between 9.5 to 10. Even when you're making your blouses, when you're adding an additional band, is 10, which is 5, or is 4, which is 8, or is 4.5, which is 9. So on this person, she's not too big. We don't want this part of the off shoulder to move on her shoulder. We want it to just remain there so that you don't start moving it and placing it all the time. So we are using 4.5. You mark your 4.5, and we are going to add 1/2 inch for sewing allowance. Is this 1/2 inch you're going to use to sew by the side? So from this 1/2 inch we've marked here, don't forget from this beginning point to here, we say it's 4.5 because hers is 9. So from this 5 inch, 1/2 inch, which is this, you connect it to where you have your 1.5 like so. Have you seen it? I forgot something. Now, you know there are different types of off shoulder. This particular off shoulder we are doing is going to be straight. It won't have a curve. We'll be doing a video for the one that have a cut shortly. So this one is the one that will just be straight here. It does not have a curve that will make it look like a canoe off shoulder. So after we've gotten this, the next thing you want to do is to get the length of your sleeve. So here is 4. So our length is 14. So you come up like so from your own this, you mark your 14. From here, you mark your 14. Have you seen it? So we are going to make it into a straight line as well. You mark it into a straight line like so. The next thing you want to do is to add for your folding, or if you're going to turn it, maybe you're turning the sleeve, 1 inch is okay, 1/2 inch to turn it, 1/2 inch to join this way. So we are adding 1 inch. We'll make this into a straight line as well. So after making this into a straight line, you want to take the circumference of this place, and the circumference of this place is 13. So you're going to divide 13 by 2, which is 6.5. So now remember we added 1.5 here, is 1.5 we're adding here as well. So we are just going to come like so. We are going to connect it. You come to this part, you bring down your 6.5. So we are marking this 1.5. So now you're going to turn it this way. You're slanting it so that by the time you fold it, take it and slant it a bit like so. So now we are going to cut this off. On our next video, we'll show you how to sew an off shoulder. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? You hit the notification bell so you'll be getting notified each time we upload our videos. Thank you.